Hello my friends, welcome back to another video. Hope you are fine. Now friends, in this video once again I'm talking about the Digibyte. What's the current price of the Digibyte? What's the price change occur in the Digibyte? And a lot of people also ask me this question, that what is the best time to buy, sell or hold Digibyte? Especially the DGB holders ask me this question, that please tell us, we sell Digibyte or hold. So keep watch this video sir, and in this video I'm talking about the very important news of the Digibyte, so don't skip this video. And friends, I request all of you, before starting this interesting video, that please click the subscribe button, like this video friends. Anyways, let's move on and let's start the video friends. First of all, we talk about the current price of the Digibyte DGB coin friends. The price is 0.110269 USD dollar is the current price of the Digibyte. And friends, if we look the price change occur in the DGB Digibyte, so absolutely I know that at this time the price change is negative friends. The whole price change occur in the DGB as negative friends, but I hope that with the passage of time the DGB coin again start jumping, and that will give you good amount of profit in the future friends. I know it is time the price change as in negative friends, but very soon the price change become positive friends. Let's see the price chart for more details and for better understanding. Now it is time the DGB as price falls down friends, absolutely very badly falls down friends, and a lot of holders doing a big mistake at this time friends. So first of all, I request all of you that please don't do this mistake and be safe from loss. It's time to hold DGB coin and make a good amount of profit with the DGB. Now I know at this time the pricing is positive, but friends, if you look the previous last 1 month prices occur in the DGB, so now you are watching, that is the last 1 month price chart of the DGB. 12.7% positive change occur in the DGB. That is why the pricing is positive, because in the previous time they taken a jump, but now only the current situation they fast down price. So please don't do this mistake. Don't send a DGB that is temporary fast. After this fast they again start jumping, and I think that my prediction is that after 2 hours they again start pumping, and that will give you good amount of profit. So anyways, what's your prediction, what's your opinion about DGB? Please tell me in the comment box, and kindly friends don't forget to subscribe to this channel for more this kind of news and updates videos.